Hello friends, today I am going to teach you watercolor Uttarayan festival. First of all, take it your brushes, take it your watercolor. Here we are going to start it. Take your brush. We are going to make it a kite festival with a watercolor. First I am going to make it sky with a cobalt blue color. Early morning sky. A cobalt blue color straight line. Using a water for making a light sky. Here I made a sky. Now few terraces. A far away terraces. Mix up with water. A strength of a terrace. Again a far small terrace. Away beside the houses with a light brown color. Use it a water to blur it. Again few terraces. Again one more terrace. With a depth. Here two terraces are ready. Now going to make it a green land far away. Take your light green color. Mix up it. Few light green color for the trees and the bushes. Just I am giving a shape right now. After that I am going to give a texture. Few on the houses. You are given an image. Wait for a few minutes for drying. Let it be dry. Here a t-shirt, a half sleeves, here one girl which she is wearing a red frock. First I am making a clothes. Here a far one, little bit blue shirt and a blue pant. Here one more boy with a blue shirt. Legs is not going to see downside. A brown color pant. Here one far away, one man. Here again one brown shirt, one person. Now taking a black color for detailing. Here it's hair. A boy. Standing on its terrace. One girl. Helping for holding a firki. A kite flowing in air. One more guy standing on its terrace. Showing the depth of the terrace. Here I am going for a little bit border. One more guy flying a kite. A small kite. A border of the terrace. Depth of the terrace. Same thing here. A man standing to hold a kite. A far terrace with one man. Again, one guy standing on a road. Again, one man flying from the downside. Again, few kites from the back side. Again, few kites which has been cut off. Two, three kites in the tree. Ice gestures. Now going to make it bushes with a dark green color. To show the shapes of the tree. Few grass on a land. Here my kite festival with a watercolor is ready. You can make it your own self. Thank you friends.